Hello, my name is Jesse Luton, and this is my submission for the Worthy Web App Hackathon. And my application is called Eat Out, and this is the live demo URL for the application. It's a web application, of course, so it's eatoutrestaurants.netlify.app. And basically, what my app does is it allows you to find the restaurants that are open for dining that are near you. So you can specify like stuff like location and search radius and other things like that, and you can basically look for the restaurants that are near this location here, um, and look for the ones that have like in dining option or indoor and outdoor dining options and whatsoever. So the first thing you would do is you would specify a location, and right now I have just my hometown San Ramon. I think I'm just gonna keep it like that. Um, and then you can also specify the search radius. So let's say it's in kilometers. So let's say something like 7 kilometers would be good. In categories, you need to choose at least one category. Oh, and it's also the same with location. So those are required fields. And in categories, I'm just gonna, there's a lot of different categories you can choose. Lots of different types of food here. But I'm just gonna go with anything because I want to do it for demo so that we get a lot of results. And then you can also choose the price range, with 1 being the least expensive and 4 being the most. And then you can choose how your data is sorted. So let's have it sorted by distance. That means that the ones that are closer to us will be given to us first. Okay, and then once you finish all that, you can click search for restaurants down here, and then you'll basically get a bunch of restaurants. So you'll get this filter thing up here. You can specify the Boolean operation, and if, as you notice, if I hit and, they all disappear because there's nothing that has all of these that are true. But if I click or, then I'll get more of them. And then here we have a bunch of restaurants. So these are all nearby. It tells you your distance. So this one is 105 meters from San Ramon. And I'm guessing that's like the center of the city or something. But it also says the price range, so this would be a medium price. It says the rating, based on how many reviews, the address, and then the phone number. And then all of this data is from Yelp. So if you want, you can click this button, and it'll take you to the Yelp website for that page or for that business. And then here you can notice that this restaurant does in fact have outdoor seating and indoor dining. So yeah, we got what we wanted. And here you can find the location on Google Maps, get directions, you can order food, and whatever else you can do here on this website. And here with the filtering, you could also remove some of these filters. So for example, if you don't want places that do pickup, you could close that out, and then you would get less places. If you don't want places with delivery, you would hit that. And then if you just have restaurant reservation, then these restaurants should only allow you to, yeah, they should have sit-down dining and outdoor seating. So this is basically the way you would find the restaurants that you can eat at, like in person, which is the main goal of this application. And then here you also can notice that there are batches of data. So the way Yelp works is that I can only request 50 items at a time. So that's like 50 restaurants at a time. But if I want to generate more, because it tells you the total results, it was 320 total, you can just hit next, and it'll give you another 50 items, which is like the next 50 in the list. So if you can't find anything in this list, you can keep going to the next list. The data is also paginated. And yeah, that's basically everything about this page. So if you go back to new search, you'll just go back to that page. You can create another query, like let's say, also this isn't restricted to the US. You could also do like Tokyo and Japan, like wherever you want really. So let's just do that. Let's just try it out. Try rating. And then looks like we can't find anything like that. So let's just take out all those filters, and you'll see there are a lot of places here. It shows you the price in yen, and then also the address and everything. But yeah, this works anywhere in the world basically. Basically anywhere Yelp covers. And another thing I want to highlight is the responsiveness. So I made this more mobile friendly. So if we go to this view, well, let's try doing an iPhone 6 view. So as you can see, it looks pretty good on the iPhone 6. This title kind of rearranges itself so that it fits on the screen. You can see everything pretty well. You can type this, you can click this, choose categories, maybe let's try New York. The price range, sort, everything, then hit search for restaurants, and then as you can see here, the same thing. Everything you can see, you can also click this and go to that website. Yeah, it's pretty mobile friendly in that way. And you can also, of course, flip your screen and then it'll also show up pretty well like this as well. So that's basically everything about my website. I really enjoyed building it. I really enjoyed using Kendo React for the first time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.